welcome back to my channel. Lyna.Rules is back with another video, and I just want to say happy Valentine's Day. And in today's video, I did this look here, and I don't really have much to say. I just, if you want to see how I got this look right here, then keep on watching. Hello, so I'm going to start with the NYX white pencil, and I'm going to apply that all over the lid. I just want to make sure I have a nice white base before I put on these bright pinks. Then I'm just going to smooth it out, and I also put tape on there so it could be easier to clean up. Now I'm taking this super bright pink with this Wet n Wild brush, actually step rope brush, and I'm putting it all over the lid as a transition shade. Then I'm going with that bright pink from the James Charles palette with a Morphe brush, and I'm just putting that within the crease and a little bit above it, just really making sure it's blended out. Now I'm taking the Celestial Thunder palette from my BoxyCharm and taking that darker pink shade, and I'm trying to put that in the crease, but I noticed that it was similar to the last shade I used, so I decided to go ahead and change the colors. So I took that same Best Up brush and I used that dark purple shade in the James Charles palette, and I put that within the crease in the outer V. And then I went in with the previous colors to make sure that everything was blended out to perfection. Then I'm taking that Wet n Wild brush as well as the concealer, and I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease, making sure I stay focused and precise. Then I'm going in with that dark purple shade and really deepening it, and then that pink shade to help transition. Then I'm taking a flat brush in this beautiful glitter pink in a Morphe palette and putting it on a lid. And then I'm using a Moto flat brush and going to the Essentials palette and taking the shade pink, which is an even more brighter pink, and putting it right next to that on the lid towards the inner. Then I'm taking the Hank & Henry eyeliner and I'm putting that right on the eye. Now I'm doing the other eye off camera, and I'm back. I'm taking that Ulta Beauty blush, and I'm just want to really make sure that everything is really blushy. Then I'm taking that pink shade as well to make the blush more intense. And then I'm taking a black liner and I'm just drawing hearts all over my face and filling them in as well. I then went in with a white eyeliner pencil and I tried to fill them in with white eyeshadow, but I noticed that that white wasn't really working with my skin. So eventually I am going to take the white hearts off, and you will see the method I use to get rid of them. I then fill in the black hearts with the eyeliner just to make sure I deepen that black. And then I took a brush and some blush and I just kind of wiped away those white hearts. I am then taking that deep purple with a more pencil-like brush, and I'm just making it deeper and more vibrant, the hearts, adding just more color to it to make it look cooler. I then take that bright pink shade once again, and I'm just also putting it right next to that dark purple. And then I'm doing my classic nude lip with my chocolate eyeliner, well, not eyeliner, lip pencil from Maybelline, and the Dose of Colors nude lip, as well as the Pink Balls from Noir Lips glitter lip gloss. Then I'm taking my Too Faced diamond highlight and putting it all over the face. And this is the B-roll. So this is the end result. This is the end of the look. If you really enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Also, if you have any comments or any thoughts, please comment below. You can follow me on my social media at Lyna.Rules and most of my social media, but whatever else social media I have, I'll put in a link below, and I will see you in the next one.